Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 9. Look dear students, our today's topic is composition and this is our lecture number 11. Okay, now dear students, we will learn about our today's topic. Okay, so here look, our composition is about the season I like most. Okay, so the topic name is what? The season I like most. And listen dear students, you will get this composition from Advanced Learners Communicative English Grammar book, and there in a page of 474. In this page you will get this composition. Okay, so page number is what? 474. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this topic. Okay, so dear students, please follow here. At first, there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. I like all the seasons, but I like spring most. Spring is my favorite season, and perhaps it is favorite to all. Spring comes to us with many pleasant things and beautiful scenes and sounds. I like this season for many reasons. The summer is a season of terrible heat. Everybody feels uneasy. During the rainy season, the roads become muddy. There is water everywhere. People cannot move easily. They face many difficulties. During the early autumn and late autumn, these disadvantages do not wholly disappear. Winter also brings troubles. Like this way, dear students, you can write, or you can continue this competition, and you can write. You have to write it elaborately by following your book. Okay, you have to learn this properly. So dear students, here I am going to discuss about some sentences, and like this way you can write this composition, or you can write this composition by using your own creativity too. Okay, look here, winter also brings troubles. Okay, then you can write people shiver in cold. Then you can write there is a dense fog everywhere. The sun is hardly seen. The poor suffer a lot. But spring has none of these advantages. It has many attractive scenes and pleasant things. So I like the season most. Okay, then you can write after winter, the spring season comes with a lovely appearance. Spring is called the queen of seasons. It comes with pleasant sights and sounds. Fields and meadows become green. Flowers bloom in different trees. Birds sing from behind the new leaves. We hear the cuckoo singing sweetly. Then you can write, there are village fairs on various occasions. During spring, bees are busy in gathering honey. A gentle breeze blows. Everything looks gay and cheerful. It is also a season of fruits. Then you can write like this way. Flowers bloom in different trees. Birds sing from behind the new leaves. We hear the cuckoo singing sweetly. There are village fairs on various occasions. During spring, bees are busy in gathering honey. A gentle breeze blows. Everything looks gay and cheerful. It is also a season of fruits. Mango, blackberry, jackfruit, lychees have birds on them. Farmers also sow the seeds of jute and paddy. Then you can write, spring is the best of all seasons for its attractive sounds and sights. Our poets have praised this season. Okay dear students, so like this way you can write this composition. So dear students, here I have given only an idea about this topic. Okay, so dear students, hope you have understood this topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.